beautiful people, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I did those beautiful knotless box braids on my thumbnail. I hope you enjoy this video and make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos. Let's get to today's video. I'm going to use 5 packs of long braiding hair. I used angels number 30. I'm just going to start by untangling my hair. I'm going to start braiding my hair from the back of my head. I'm going to do the first line horizontally as shown in the video. I'm going to start by braiding my natural hair. I'm going to attach a sticker to show you clearly what I mean. So guys, this is what I mean by braiding my natural hair. In this video I'm going to be sharing with you guys 2 ways to do knotless braids. The first method that I'm going to use is crocheting or crocheting as you know it. I'm now just going to crochet the braiding hair on my natural hair as shown in the video. The braiding hair was a little thicker, so I had to divide it 2 times so it's easy to crochet on my hair. Guys, that is the first method if you don't know how to grip roots. I'm just going to do 2 more lines and then I'll come back. So guys, I'm back after doing 2 more lines at the back of my head. And now it's a total of 3 lines. The second method I'm going to show you guys is gripping the roots. I'm going to start by dividing my hair as shown in the video. After parting my hair, I'm going to take my braiding hair. I'll put it below my natural hair. I'll then pass it over my natural hair, and that will be gripping the roots for me, guys. So that is the second step. I'm now going to turn off my camera for a while. I'm then going to do 2 more lines in the middle and 2 more lines beside the ear, both sides of the ear, and then I'm going to come back. I already did this part right here, front. These 2 other ones are just straight. I divided them straight. This side too. Now what's remaining is this part here. Let me put this well so you can see what I'm saying. This. I also finished the ends. And doing this part right here. I'm just dividing it like this. I'm sorry about the lighting in this part of the video. I'm going to do the remaining part and then I'll come back. Guys, I'm back after a while after doing the remaining part, and only one division is remaining that I'm going to finish right now. I'm not a professional in this, guys. I'm still learning myself. So guys, this is how my knotless braid turned out. I just really love them and I did them myself. I haven't finished all the hands yet. I was so tired that day, so I just finished the hands only. So the next day, here I am. I'm just going to put the hands on hot water, Guys, I am down here, I'm right down here, so you can see what I'm doing. I'm just going to dip the ends of my braids on the hot water on that small basin. I'm then going to wrap a towel around it. You have to be careful with this, guys. This is hot water, boiling. I'm now just going to cut the ends so it looks a little neater. I'm now going to lay my edges with hair gel. I'm then going to use this olive spray to spray my braids. I'm so in love with these knotless braids, you guys, and the fact that I did them myself. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you are a beginner in braiding, I hope it helps. See you in my next video, and make sure you subscribe to my channel for more videos, and thanks for watching.